So, the first objective of creating the IPC is that it can act as an instrument for an orderly arrangement of a patent documents in order to facilitate the access to the technological and legal information contained in it. Second, it is a basis for selective dissemination of information to all users. So, you can just what we can say whatever information you want, you can just click on that particular class section. We will see what that class is there, what that section is there, what group is there. So, it will be whenever you will click on that particular thing, you will get the selective information, that is whatever you want, that will be immediately popped up when you are using that particular what we can say title. IPC, it is a basis for the preparation of a industrial property statistics, which in turn permits the assessment of a technology development in the various areas. So, you can just whenever you will go through that what we can say the classification, you can see that which technology is developed at what level, all that thing, that statistical analysis, data analysis kind of thing you can do by using the IPC system. It establishes what we can say, this is a effective, the IPC is nothing but a what we can say WIPO has established a effective search tool. It is a very effective search tool developed for a retrieval of a patent documents. Okay. Now, the effective search tool will figure out the novelty and it will evaluate the inventive step or a non-obviousness, that these are the criteria for the patent. So, this IPC will help you to establish the novelty, evaluate inventive step and then to check a non-obviousness of that technological disclosure in the patent classification, patent whatever the application is there.